लगा कि ये आम इंसान साधारण इंसान नहीं है, साधारण इंसान से ऊपर उठे हुए इंसान हैं। इनको स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन कहूँ या प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन कहूँ या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कहूँ, कुछ भी कहूँ, जो भी कहो, सब इसमें इनमें समाया हुआ है। उनका मैं बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। एमएलए साहब जगबीर सिंह जी मलिक मेरे पुराने साथी भी हैं, मित्र भी हैं, दोस्त भी हैं। उन्होंने इस इलाके के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, कर रहे हैं, उनका धन्यवाद भी करना है। सुनील जी जो चेयरमैन हैं यहाँ म्यूनसिपल कमेटी के, मैं तो कहूँगा मुझे बच्चों के समान हैं, बहुत प्यारे हैं, शहर के लिए बहुत सुंदर भूमिका निभा रहे हैं। यही प्रार्थना करना है परमेश्वर से उनको और शक्ति दे। मैं और कुछ न कहता हुआ आपको यही मांगता हूँ आपके लिए कि हाथ जोड़ मांगूं हरि, सेवा कृपा प्यार, विनय नम्रता दान दे, देना सब कुछ वार।
One in this world who cares, who shares and loves the most. A word when pronounced strokes the heartly strings and teaches us how to lead our life. The very first word which an infant speaks is Ma. Someone has truly said that God couldn't be everywhere, so He made mothers. What a fine example of divinity. Today on Mother's Day, I want to wish all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. And now we are presenting before you a one-act play, A Mother. So let's have a glimpse how a mother sacrifices. Please put your hands together for them.
I am Paras, the narrator of the play One Act Play, A Mother. And as you know, today is Mother's Day, so we are specially dedicating our play to all the mothers. Hence, about play. Our play is really very interesting, twisted, humorous and full of suspense. It's all about mother. And as you know, mother is the axis of the family and whole family depends on her. She remains busy throughout the day and night to carry the orders of the family members. But in exchange, she is paid nothing. Even she is not given respect. In this play, mother is treated like a servant by all the family members. They always make her obey, but they never obey her. And this is the situation of a mother in most of the families. In this play, you will see how she sets a family. And here is the play. Let's enjoy.
Mrs. Pearson, why are you looking so sad? Whenever I meet you, you always look so sad and tired.
Yes, because I have so much work at home, and even after, my husband, my children, they are not giving me much appreciation and respect. Oh God, look at the time. Nothing ready, they will be home anytime and in a hurry to go out again.
Let them wait, don't go, sit down here. I can solve your problem. They will respect you and obey you.
But how can you solve my problem?
With my magic, we'll change our bodies.
But how can we change our bodies? Is it possible?
Yeah, it is possible. Now stop worrying, keep quiet for a while and give me your hands.
Is it right?
Yeah. Arshattalam, Arshattadam, Arshattalam Dambona.
Now, I can imagine what you are thinking and what is in your mind. That is, the scene you have seen was unbelievable. But my dear audience, it's possible by Mrs. Fitzgerald's magic. And now, both the ladies have interchanged their souls.
Oh, it's happened.
Yeah, it's happened very neatly. See what I mean, dear?
Children can't see me like this.
They're not going to see you like this.
But what I have to do now?
Just go into my house, stay there for a while, come back in the evening and see how they are changed. Now go off, dear.
But if we can't change back?
It is easy changing back. I can do it anytime you want, dear.
Well, do it now.
Don't worry, it will be wonderful. Now go off, dear.
Hey Mom, have you ironed my blue silk? I must feel it tonight. What are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing? Whitewashing the ceiling?
But you're playing cards.
Then what's wrong with it if I'm playing cards?
But I thought you never played.
Then you thought wrong, dear.
Are we having tea in the kitchen?
Have it where you like.
What's the matter with you, Mom?
Nothing, don't be silly.
It's not me that being silly. I'm working hard all the day and you can't even bother to get a cup of tea ready. Did you hear what I said about the yellow silk? I must wear it tonight.
Hello,
so
hello.
I want it ironed.
Wanted it ironed? What do you think? It's going to be ironed itself?
You will iron it as you always do.
I used to do, but now I will not. By the way, why you need your yellow silk to be ironed?
Because I'm going out with Charlie's friends.
Going out with Charlie Spence? Can't you find anybody better than Charlie Spence? Bhakti than Hobbit did?
Oh, just shut up about Charlie's friends.
Hey mom, is tea ready?
No,
Why not?
I can't bother.
Aren't you feeling well?
Never felt better in my life.
What's the idea then?
Nothing, just a change.
By the way, I don't have much time. I have got a busy night tonight.
But I have plenty of time.
Alright, did you put my things out?
Oh, I can't remember. I doubt it.
But look mom, you promised to mend them.
But now I decided that I don't like mendings.
That's a nice way to talk mom. What would happen if we all talk like that?
You all do talk like that.
What's going on mom? I don't understand.
Nothing, just changes. Doris, you are looking terrible. I will not wear this face even for Charlie Spence.
Oh, shut up about Charlie's friends. It's not my fault. You made me cry. That's why I'm looking terrible. By the way, I'm not ready. I'm just dressing.
Is there something to eat? I can't remember.
Has she been treated like this with you too?
Yes, no tea ready. Could not be careless.
Well, it's both of us. Did she follow before I did something?
Do you mean she's mad?
It seems to be so.
You two are always talking about being grown up. Why don't you have tried once to be your age?
Can't we laugh now?
Yes, if it is funny, make me laugh also.
You never understand our jokes, Mom.
I was yawning at your jokes, Doris, before you born.
What make you talk like this, Mom?
Look mom, if you don't get tea ready then I will find something to eat myself.
Why not? Help yourself.
Mind you, I have been working hard all the day.
Same here.
8 hours a day.
Yes, 8 hours a day and don't forget it.
Then I have done my 8 hours.
But that's a different thing altogether.
Of course it is different, Mom.
No, that was, but now it is not. 40 hours in a week, 5 days in a week for all and 2 days off.
Must get something to eat.
Mom, do you mean you are not going to work on Saturday and Sunday?
I don't go so far.
Did you fall or hit your head with something?
No, but I will hit you something if you don't stop asking these silly questions to me.
Oh, Mom, you're awful.
Hello? What is going on? Can't be anything to cry about? What
No.
is going on?
No, nothing.
Why Doris was weeping?
Better ask her.
What are you drinking? What are you eating?
Who the hell are you to ask me this question?
What's wrong with you, Annie?
Nothing.
I've never seen you talk like that before.
Well, you are seeing me now.
No, I don't like it. It doesn't look right. By the way, I forgot to tell you that this morning I wouldn't want any tea because Special Snooker match at the club tonight. So, no tea.
That's alright, there is not any.
You mean you didn't get